Hey everyone, Coach Stefan Rudolph coming to you from beautiful Escondido, California. Just finished my workout at Choose Fitness outdoors here. California's got a few restrictions, so we actually got this gym outdoors. You can't really see the equipment, but I just finished working out and getting about 13 miles in. And during that time, I was reading all the thank yous from everybody from the school and from Temecula Valley High School, and I couldn't even finish it. It's amazing. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Remember I said living with heart and connecting the dots, going from the heart to the mind and eliminating that mouthful of excuses. So I want to thank you again. And even some of those comments on there, I have a bumper sticker that says, I don't know if you can read that, but excuse the excuses out of your life. Because a lot of times we have these excuses in life, for life, but they're against life, they're against living. And a lot of your comments and feedback, it was amazing. I think it was like 30 pages. That's like the biggest replies I've ever had, because I've talked to football teams and other smaller events since COVID hit, though it's kind of changed everything, but this can be a bigger event now from our homes and classrooms. And again, it hits home. A lot of your feedback was based on health and wellness, but especially with the epilepsy, concussion, sports, addiction, escapism, dealing with, say, parents that have a problem of their own, and or just people in general, just in life. You know, people go through life, and not just same parents, but overall with family, with people that are close to us, and or people that have died. Recently, there was a DUI accident in Escondido about a month ago, right down the road from where I live. 2 kids died. You know, just all this stuff that's going on with COVID and everything else. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and put this out there to the students to, again, subscribe, like, and share, and just pass the message around. And if you ever have questions, feel free to text me. You got my number on my website even. Call me, message me. Instagram is Coach Stefan Rudolph, coach.stefan.rudolph, like the reindeer, once a year. And Facebook, Coach Stefan Rudolph as well. Again, anytime you need feedback or help, let me know. That was really helpful to me, because literally 3 years ago in this parking lot, the time I had been homeless at one point in 2017, I'd come back here and live with a friend down the road and was literally talking to people, homeless people, in this parking lot and helping them, and it just felt good. I wasn't doing it for anything. I was giving them some food, some clothes, even when I was struggling. So to come back here and to connect here, where health and fitness is still here, I think it's the only part of Escondido that's open as a gym right now. But we're pushing it, making it happen. Cold weather, hot weather, no weather at all, whether or not, it doesn't matter. No pun intended, but I come up with those all the time. But just keep your head up and keep focused on life. And thank you again to all the students, especially the staff. Principal Williams, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, giving this opportunity again to help people. If you can look up, you can get up. And then I pull this out of my trunk every time. I carry about 5 copies of these, helping people, just passing it on. If you want a copy, let me know. Just please donate a little bit for the mailing purposes. I give a lot of free books out, but anytime you can donate, help, subscribe, anything, you know, like and share the page. But if you want a book, definitely I'll give that to you for free. I'll even come up there at another time when we can have more talks and be passing out some books. But hit me up, and if you can look up, you can get up. Remember that. Don't ever get up on life. Don't ever give up on life. Keep focused, stay focused, and choose life. Peace.